The Shade Room posted an article today on their website, theshaderoom.com. Now, it was posted by somebody named, I think it's Thembiso, Thembiso. Shout out to you. I don't know who you are, but it was posted May 10th of 2019, titled Chris Darden withdraws as attorney for Eric Holder in Nipsey Hussle case, citing threats against him and his family. Okay, so here's what they wrote. I'm not going to read the whole article to you guys, but here's the gist of it. Okay, Chris Darden was the prosecutor in the O.J. Simpson case back in the day, and Chris announced that he will be withdrawing from the case due to personal reasons. He said in a Facebook post that he and his children have apparently been receiving death threats. For the record, shout out to the Shade Room and the other blogs and websites and whatnot. They had talked about this a long time ago, like weeks ago, that his daughter was being threatened. What in the world does she have to do with anything? Chris Darden is a man trying to do his job, and here these animals were threatening his daughter. Why would he get threatened for doing his job? But anyways, I'm gonna get to that in a minute. After centuries, this is, I guess, what he has said on Facebook. Quote, after centuries of a history of black men hung from trees without trial, or after the thousands of cases of black men tried, convicted, and executed without counsel, I cannot understand why in 2019 some people would deny a black man his Sixth Amendment right to counsel of his choice. He wrote, quote, or why defending such a man should invite threats not only against me, but against my children too. He continued to say, quote, the right to counsel is not only a constitutional right, it is a civil right as well. Just as they were in 1995, cowards never change. These days, these cowards don't send letters. Instead, they sit anonymously behind keyboards threatening a man's mother and children. Yes, they threaten the man's mother and the children. And some folks think that's funny. It isn't, and I won't ever forget it, end quote. In other words, hey, y'all think that it's funny games now, but there may be some backlash for you idiots. If that's not enough, he made sure to come for the people who were threatening him and his family and address them directly by saying, quote, to those who issued those threats to my children, please pay close attention so there is no misunderstanding later. F you. Okay, so this is really interesting to me because if Chris Darden was non-black, if he was white, Asian, whatever, this would not even be an issue. Because these punks who were threatening him, whether they're silly gang members, listen, this is why I told y'all, man, it needs to be made illegal to be a gang member. They're not a militia, they're a joke. And they target black men. So something major needs to be done about that. Something really, really big. When there's roaches, you need an exterminator. So anyways, this is all my opinion. Are you guys surprised? Let me know what you think about it all below. Meat Magazine on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and MeWe. Meat Magazine blog on Instagram. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Click the notification bell, and that way you receive alerts when new videos get posted. I think it's disgusting that his family was threatened. And I think that something should be done about it. You know, the law should step in and hunt those people down and throw them in a cell. I mean, you're going to sit up there making threats on the internet. Why do you think that that's ever acceptable? You know, but that's just my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong about it.